Turn this camera on. It's 11 May 2020, 1942 in the evening. Okay, it's that time of day, like I just said a second ago. Okay, so now I forgot to take a picture, and I'm doing it live on camera. Well, all right. Okay. Oh, I forgot to turn that thing around. Let's see here, and I have a third camera which no one can see. Did I just turn that on? I did. Okay. So let's see here. I want to turn this around so I can see. There we go. Because I have a remote. And so before I... Alright, so now I'm doing that. I want to take a picture of that. And take a picture. Come on. There we go. Now, this is not the best chair in the world, but so, alright, so now I have a, this is something that just arrived today. Got it off eBay, but this is, yeah, that's what I want to show is, okay, this has batteries in it, and so you turn it on, and you get the radio, right? If you put it on radio, there's the radio.
Say okay.
And you got shortwave. I don't know, other shortwave. There's medium wave.
You figure out how to turn his own power.
Of course, now you turn the power off, right? You only turn the power off to turn on the radio, but the tape player will play at any point in time. So if we hit eject. Here's eject. Let's see here. Okay. Play this side. Okay, so we hit play. Where's play? Play is right there.
In other words, they used his own power to destroy him.
Rewind. Should go back to the beginning because it's got. Did the one thing light up? It did. So there it is. It went back to the beginning and starts over again. Okay, so that works. Where's the stop button? There's a stop. Okay. So now that we know that that works, okay, I'm going to pull this over to the side. This is a, looks like that. I've made a bunch of videos about this thing already. This has a full complement of, oh good grief, it's got what? External speakers down here, 2 remote controls, one has a remote, has a grounding deal, has your auxiliary input, or your line out, your auxiliary input. So you can plug, and it's got an auxiliary switch up here. It's got a normal battery tuner, stereo wide. So it's got all the features you basically want in a box. And this thing takes 8D batteries in the back. All right, got that? All right. So I'll just put that over there. And now, this one is a it's that big of a box, so I just put it like this, or better yet, I just put it, let's see here, so it's smaller. Got that? It's smaller because, anyway, so much for that. All right. Okay, so now, without further ado, I'm going to open this up. Let's see here, so just recline and do it. I don't know what you can see, but this was, well, I made another, let's see, I made a video of this as I, when I buy things or whatever, I make videos of my, anyway, you try and talk and keep people entertained. Okay, let's see if we got it open here. Oh hell, okay. This is going to be the Peanuts. I think I'm doing this in the backyard. There we go. So it's got, okay. We need to get that tape off. There we go. Okay. So it's got loads of peanuts. I'm going to start having to pick that up all over the place. So, yeah. Okay, so there we go. Well, what am I setting this on? So there it is like that. We got a piece of cardboard here. I can't really see. Okay, so here's a cord which goes to the power deal, okay, which is like that. Alright, so came with another power deal. I just want this out of here without having to fight with all these little things that are going to blow all over the yard. Alright, that's going to be the majority of this video is getting this stuff out. Okay, well, there is, well, okay, go do it that way then. Oh, and this is a, okay, this is a Radio Shack Archer. It's an Archer Radio Shack power cord thing. Okay, so then they packed it, in bubble wrap. I asked them to, bubble wrap this nicely, and they did. Well, there go those things flying. And there it is. Okay, well alright, well, okay, so let's just see if we can put this down and, alright, so, it's that big, alright, and this one here got jostled, this little camera I have on the ground for an accessory backup deal. There we go, so there it is, looks like that. Let's see here. I had a remote, right? What did I do with the remote? I know I brought it out here. Where'd the remote go? Here it is on the ground. Okay, so here's a remote. Wait, put this in here. There we go. Let me zip in with this camera. I can do that. So it looks like that. Right? Looks like that. I haven't even seen it yet. Looks like that on the front. Looks like that on the top. Okay. I could zoom in a bit more. Let's see if I do that. Here, you try and, okay. Don't hit the off button. There we go. So, yeah, because no one ever shows the top of these things really well. So, all right, there we go. Yeah, that's a good zoom. Alright, so zoom it out a bit. And then of course, what else is there to show? Well, there's the stuff on the end. Alright, so here's the stuff on the end. You're seeing it before I get to see it. So there you go, there's the stuff on the end, whatever that is. And now I'll let you see the back. Let's see here. Here's the back. Let's see if I move it forward and hold it there and then zoom. Yeah, that'll be a good video. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Anyway, so there it is. Looks like that in the back. And I'm glad I brought some C batteries out here with me because the guy said in the listing that he didn't know. Let's see. So we have a tone, balance, volume. Got the editor. Got AM, FM, push buttons. Okay, radio tape button, AM, FM stereo, mono like that. Your standard controls, got tape search thing, little tiny speakers. We got what here? We got push buttons. Wow, we got cute little push buttons here on the end. That's unusual. I've never seen that before. And this got what? Mics, full-size headphones, and then external speakers. Okay. But it takes 6 C batteries. I was trying to see that in the horrible little pictures that the guy took on eBay, but anyway, so. And, well, okay. I hope, let's see, I got one on the ground. Okay, so here are 6 C batteries. So, 1, 2, 1, 2. These are out of, these 6 C batteries are out of my test deal because I have a the battery pack with some wires attached to it so I can plug it in and make it work. Let's see here. So, okay, so maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Who knows? Let's see here. So, we're on radio. Give it some volume.
Okay, we're live. So we turn this camera on. It's 11 May 2020.
Well, I guess that. Okay, the Facebook thing stopped because it's now playing.
That time of day, like I just said a second ago. Okay, so now.
What is?
I forgot to take
All right.
a picture.
Well, the Facebook thing went offline.
Taking it live on camera, Will.
So.
Forgot to turn that thing around.
Okay, I'm not getting any power on batteries. Maybe the connections back here are rusted. See, there's not a. What is this? Mic mixing volume knob. Okay, well, nothing works. Volume balance. Well, it's something to play with. I bought it because I thought it was interesting looking. I didn't realize it was this small, but that's what it looks like. And so I just thought it was unique. What it was. Okay, so anyway, it's got a complete antenna, right? I think. Let's see here. Wait. What? This has a. Oh wow, that's nifty. This has a round deal with a hole on it that goes onto the pin on the end. Wow, that's really nifty. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, so I've had too much fun here. Let me turn off that. Like I said, the little this camera here and that one up there went wonky. So what do you say good day, bye-bye to, yeah, can't continue live video. Something went wrong with your broadcast. Please try again. Well, I can't try again. This is a one-off deal. Okay, well, we don't know what happened there, so. All right, it's been 11 minutes. Flip this around so I can see. So there's that, and here's this. I got the MoneyGram for that today. And that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see what happened to the Facebook feed. But I got two cameras going, so I'm good. Bye-bye.